This is the normally open pneumatic control dump valve. It is used on our intensifiers to release stored high pressure from the system. This valve has weep holes in it. The top weep hole indicates we have a seal problem. The seal would have to be replaced if water is coming out of here. The lower weep port means the connection here is not tight enough, or the seat is damaged, or the valve body is damaged. Leakage from this port here indicates that we have a loose gland nut, or the collar on the threads of the tube may be backed off too far where it's not making a good seat in there. It also has weep holes on the other side, indicate the same thing. Your seal, loose gland nut or adapter, the loose gland nut or adapter, or the threads on the collar may be backed off too far. To rebuild the valve, we're going to put it in a smooth jawed vise. Use a 3/4 inch wrench to loosen the gland nut on the bottom and remove it. Sometimes the seat comes out on the adapter, sometimes it stays inside the valve body. We will take a strap wrench and loosen the actuator. On the valve body, now we can see our stem inside there. We will use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the stem. Also remove the backup ring and the stainless steel spacer. The seat is still intact down there, so what we want to do, we want to put the stem back in and push the stem through the seal there, and the seat should come out. Then we'll use our pliers to pull the stem back out again. To remove the seal, use your push tool from the bottom, push it out and remove it. Inspect your body pretty good and clean it out, blow it out with air. We do not want any scratches inside the bore area where the seal sets. If you have any scratches in there, chances are your seals are going to leak. So we want to clean it out real good and inspect it. On the assembly procedure, put it back in our vise. Put our position tool inside our gland nut. Push it up in the bottom. Thread it in. Just hand tight. Take our seal installation tool, position it in the top of the valve body. Take our new seal with the brass wedge ring and the O-ring. The O-ring will be going down in there first. We want to use a little bit of FML2 grease on the seal. Position it down in. Use your push tool to position it down in there. We can take our new stem and our backup ring with the groove in it. It goes down, and our brass backup ring with the step in it goes towards the seal. Use a little bit of grease on the stem. Position it in the hole of the seal. Press it in. Apply a little bit of goop to your threads of your actuator. Thread it down in there. Back this off till you feel that bottom out. Give it a good flip of the wrist. And if you need to, you can use your strap wrench to tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it, just get it pretty snug. Then you can remove your tool from the bottom. apply a little goop to the outside of the seat and to the bottom area of the adapter, and also to the threads of the adapter, and thread it into the valve body. And we want to torque it to 50 foot-pounds. That's ready to install on the machine.